So here we are at, what's the name? Pha Chek.
Soi Sawan.
Soi Sawan Waterfall.
Yeah, Soi Sawan.
So we're in Ubon Ratchathani province, and quite a spectacular view here.
About an hour from Ubon City.
Look at that ridge over there. Wow. And you can hear the water on my right. Nice little waterfall. Gery promised me that we would not be walking through the jungle. Here I am stuck with my pack. And he will do a diving demonstration. The waterfall. What's that? Oh, that's the Mekong? Yeah. Wow. You can see it through the trees there. Well, I think this is where the spot where you get your feet wet. Yep. So here we are in the dark, deep jungles of Thailand, looking for the elusive wonga bird. Have you seen the wonga bird? Well, if you haven't seen one, that means that they really hide well into the noise. Come around here.
You can go straight, you can go to the right, anywhere.
Well, I can see over here there's some tracks. This here is not a good idea on a bike. So we're at mile 30. Actually, I think we're at mile or kilometer 3. Probably another, what, kilometer to go? Yeah, about 1 more kilometer. And so far so good. No animal attacks. And temperature's not bad for Thailand. Nice cool breeze sometimes. But I wish that sun would go back. Now we're going to be getting wet feet. But I think we can go around here a bit. Cooling off. Need to slash our way through. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I know where we are. Wow. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, there.
Across is Laos and Mekong River. And look at this escarpment here. Wow, spectacular.
Next viewpoint is up there.
So, Gery and I, we are the champions of the world.
Yes.
To Pha Moi. And just another kilometer from the last 1.2. And yeah, check this out. What a viewpoint. Oops, but I guess not too close. There's my balance, a little bit warm. The mighty Mekong. You can see the Mekong is pretty low right now. You can see where the water would normally go. You can see, especially right there, it's going through those narrows. And normally during the rainy season, that water should be up on the other side, going through and making some type of rapids. Looks like a golf course below us here. All these rice fields, beautiful. I like when they do this, they keep the trees and then they put the rice fields in between, so it's much more beautiful than just open rice fields. Oh, here we are back to the bottom, and a refreshing little pool of water. I know what you're saying, you would like to see this guy jump, but things aren't that bad right now. So, check this out. Very cool. have wildflowers in the winter time, and yeah, it was fun. So yeah, just do it. But very busy today in the parking lot, as you can see. Place is extremely crowded. But tomorrow being a holiday, there should be a lot of people here. And you can see that there's two motorcyclists that parked their bikes over there.